In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a URL redirect in Shopify. If you've ever needed to update your website links or are looking to manage broken links better for a more seamless user experience, understanding URL redirects is an essential skill. Whether you're remapping your store or simply retiring old website pages, redirects ensure your visitors end up precisely where you want them to be, maintaining a strong customer experience and improving your site's SEO. We'll start by logging into your Shopify admin panel, the central hub for all your store management activities. Once you're in, you'll want to look over to the left-hand side of your screen and find the Online Store section. Give that a click. Now, underneath Online Store, you'll see a submenu. Look for Navigation. Clicking on Navigation takes you to the main page where you'll see all the navigational elements of your Shopify store laid out neatly. Next, what you'll want to do is find the link labeled URL Redirects located towards the top of the page. Click on this, and it will lead you to a new section dedicated entirely to managing your website's redirects. Here, you can view any of your existing URL redirects or create a new one. Great, now let's focus on creating a new redirect. You'll see a button that says Create URL Redirect. Click on this button to begin the process of setting up a new redirect. It will take you to a simple form with two essential fields you need to fill out. The first field you'll encounter is the Redirect From field. This is where you input the old URL that visitors are currently accessing or attempting to access. Ensure that this doesn't include your main domain, just the tail end of the URL. For example, if the full URL is www.yourstore.com old page, you would only enter old page. Right below that, you'll see the Redirect To field. This is where you input the new URL, the destination where you want your visitors to be redirected. It's critical to ensure that this URL is active and correctly spelled. Just like before, don't include your full domain, only the tail end of the URL where you want your users to land. Once these fields are filled out, double-check for any typos or errors, as these can hinder the effectiveness of your redirect. Don't worry, though you can always come back to adjust if something isn't working as planned. Once you're satisfied everything is correct, go ahead and press Save. Your redirect is now active. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully created a URL redirect in your Shopify store. It's a powerful tool for maintaining traffic flow and ensuring customers have a seamless experience navigating through your store even if URLs change over time. Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to tune in next time for more Shopify tips and tricks.